Hello guys! Welcome to Sinuk's Vlog. Dito kami sa McDonald's today. Ayan, nagla-lunch kami. Today is Saturday. At yon, katatapos ko lang actually mag-live.
And I'm done with my command.
Yeah.
Look at that.
No,
McDonald's.
Ayun, after naman nito, magpapacar wash naman kami ng anak ko. Ayan. Samahan niyo kami guys. Sarap.
Okay, I'm back.
Ang daming fries. Hindi ko na maubos. Ang dami. Finish na ng food mo. Oh, you go to the, you go there and you have to ask ate, ate, can you give me another sauce? You have to say it again to mommy, ate, can you give me another sauce? Okay, gravy or sauce. Okay, you have to wait and you have to say thank you. Go, do it, on the counter. I want more, sabi mo, I want more. Nauutusan na. Ayan, nauutusan ng aking anak. Did you say thank you?
Oh, I said thank you.
You have to say it after to the girl who gave you the sauce. Kain tayo guys. Just don't lie down. Busog na ako. Ito na. Dirty yan, anak. Dirty. Sit down lang dito. Okay, tali ka na. Make it fast naman. Yung sumukulit.
No.
Bilisan mo na. Mayor. I will not buy you any more McDonald's. Sit down here properly. Dali, wait na. Okay. Mami.
No.
A little na lang o a little na lang. A little na lang. Last. Another last, ha? Another last.
No.
Ayoko na ng fries. Ang dami pa, oh. Kasi pag hindi na siya mainit, hindi na siya masarap. Dapat pag bibili ka ng fries, kakainin mo kaagad. Look, sit here. Last. This is the last. Last. Last nga. I will not buy you anymore. Now. Hirap pa kainin. I said last. Last. Dali na. Oh, we're not going if you did not eat this. Last. Okay, that's last. Dali na. I will tell Daddy that you're not allowed to buy McDonald's. Okay. Okay, enough. That's last. What is it? No. No. No, I have. We're done na guys sa McDonald's. At ayun, magpapacar wash na kami. Ayun, samahan nyo kami guys. Today nga pala is Saturday. Ayun, wala akong masyadong ginawa sa bahay. Kasi, yun, yung kasambahay ng aking biyanan ay pumunta doon at para tulungan ako maglinis ng ng aking garden. Kaya hindi ako makakalinis ng garden today. Ayan, dapat maglilinis ako kaso nga lang
Ate Erica's
pagod na
here.
ako. Yeah, Ate Erica's there. That's why, yan, magpapakarwas. And after the karwas, where are you going? To the park. Ayan, to the park.
Like.
Ay, nakets. Kuya naman nagpamarcha pa dyan. Ayan. Saturday is a fun day. Oops. Saturday is a fun day. Ayan, we're going na. I don't know how to drive motorcycle.
And me also.
But I know how to drive bike. So if you know how to drive a bike, you will know how to drive a motorcycle.
Only flexible mans can do that.
Ay.
Can I have a square wheels, mommy? I want the one, the tricycle. The bike, mommy.
Wow, you're pila-pila there, huh?
Ew, mommy, smell your pee.
Who's poopy?
The visit Santa Claus, mommy.
Oh.
I
Ayan, sana konti yung sana konti yung
want to
nagpapakarwash.
do Santa Claus. I want Santa Claus.
Time check, 2:47.
Santa.
Oh no, traffic pa ba?
Santa.
Oh my kulay.
Dun, 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 dun. This one, you got it.
Sit down lang, okay? Ay, ang dami nagpapa-car wash. Nakapila kami, guys. Wait lang.
Mommy, where's the girl, mommy?
Atras? Okay. Oh,
Mommy,
sit down.
Mom,
Okay, sige.
where's the girl, mommy?
Lalabas ako? May lalabas siya, oh.
Mommy,
Okay.
where's the girl, mommy? The one I want.
Okay na? Sige pa. Ay, lalabas ako. Ha? Okay na? Okay. Ako. Lapit na tayo. Ay. Kasya ba ako? Ba't ang
Mommy,
lapit
can
ng
I
puti
have a
sa
big
akin?
house, Mommy?
Ay, nako. Hindi ako kasya. Paano na? Go! Meaning na paliguan na yung aking Montero. Ayan. Actually guys, pag hindi masyado madumi yung kotse ko, ako yung naglilinis sa bahay. Kaso nga lang, kailangan ko rin siya ipa-car wash after mga 1 month or 2 weeks. Kasi yung mga stain, para mawala yung mga stain. Kaya yun. Ang dami nagpapa-car wash dito. Ayan, sinasagot na siya. Kailangan niyang sabunin para malinis yung mga dumi-dumi. Linis lang ako konti. Kaya wala kasi akong sabon sa bahay na pang Not yet. No, aray ko, just sit down. You just sit down. Yan, para pati yung rooftop ay malinis ka. Nak, wait lang.
Para makapasok ko yung
Yeah. After what? Sabunin, ayan, wash na nila. Yan, cleaning time na. Sit down. Almost done.
Done now.
Almost done.
Only 2 once, Mommy.
We're done. Pauwi na kami.
And we're going to the park. We're going to the
And
park.
we're going to the park.
Yay!
Ayan, ang hirap dito sa parking na to. Ay, malinis at mabango na yung aking kotse. Ayan. Kaya tawag mo nang dudumihan na. Ayun. Thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to my
We're going to the
channel.
park.
Ayan, excited na siya
We
pumunta
will
ng
back.
park.
See you.
They're excited to go to the park.
See you.
Ayan. See you again next time.
See you.
Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Ayan, like and subscribe. At yun,
You don't have internet vlogging, Mommy. No,
I
Mommy.
have.
You don't have.
I have, baby. I have. Say bye to everyone.
Bye!
Shouting. Kulit ng baby ko.